Hey and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you my productivity system called Productivity Copilot for tasks, projects, areas and goals management. And if you like the system, and I hope you do, I'll leave the link to the system in the comments. So when you open this productivity system, you can see on the top quick actions to quickly add new tasks, notes, resources and new projects. Then there is a section with today's agenda where you can see all tasks for today with a priority level, project, and the checkbox to mark the task as completed. Then there is a project manager section where you can see all your projects, not started, ongoing, and completed, and also the timeline for the project. You can easily change the start and dates for the project. And if you open the project, you can see status, start date and date, area, related goals, nodes, and also here related list of tasks and nodes. Then if we scroll a little bit down, we can see tasks and planning center. So here you can see all your tasks, non-completed tasks, all tasks and completed tasks. And also the calendar for quick planning, scheduling of the tasks. And each task has priority level, project, and checkbox to mark it as completed and date of creation. Then the Productivity Copilot has goals and area manager. So if we go inside the areas, we can see here area of your life, description, related goals, nodes and projects, and also here we can see all the goals, projects and nodes, all nodes and archived nodes. And also we have goals manager, so we can see the goal, target date, related projects, related area, date of creation, progress and status, and also the projects for this goal. Then the productivity system has notes taking section, so you can take notes, categorize them and connect to a specific area or specific project. And we can see here note categories, so you can create different categories for your notes, for example personal, business related and so on. And also the productivity system has a resource manager, so you can add resources, different articles, videos and so on, categorize, tag your resources if it's like a website, article, a book, a video and so on, and add a link to the resource. And here you can also see the resource categories, so you can quickly see all resources in a given category. And lastly, the productivity system has a section for daily reflections, which are created automatically every day. There is a repeat setup here, and inside the daily reflections you can add a date and then track your mood for the day, things that you're grateful for, best parts of the day and what went wrong. And you can configure this template however you like. If you just go here, press edit and change this template. So this is the Productivity Copilot Notion system for productivity, for managing your tasks, your projects and areas of your life. And I hope you liked it, and if you did, I'll leave the link to the template in the comments so you can check it out. Thank you for watching this video.